Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet and yes, we are back. It is Sunday, and before we get started, matter of fact, I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang. Those who get here early, subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment early on in the video, and you might see your name scrolling up and down the screen right here with me. But before we get into this box on a pair of shoes that I've been waiting to get for a while, I gotta address a little something. So in my video yesterday, I had a lot of comments, a lot of positive comments as well. Thank you for that. But also a lot of, hey, why'd you buy all those bricks? All those are trash. And to me, it's funny because when the Zebras originally released, they were hard. And it seems like every time it's the same thing, and people gotta know what they want, because once they come out and they're more of a GR or there's more available, then they're not hard no more because they didn't sell out, or because you saw one post on Instagram of both Rookie of the Years and Zebra sitting in fucking, I don't know, the middle of nowhere, Arkansas. I still fuck with Arkansas. I've never been there, but I still fuck with y'all. I had a lot of people telling me, why did I buy all the bricks? And I don't know, because all the bricks are stacked up in a box about to get shipped out because they already gone. So if you liked the shoe before it was limited, just please keep the same energy. We see where the energy is at. I like them, so I copped them. Once something is GR, once people can't sell it, once people think they can't sell it, then it's a brick, then it's weak. If you liked it when it was limited, and then now there's more available so more people can get them, and now they don't sell for as high, don't switch up your energy now. And that's all I'm gonna say for that, because today, fuck all that noise, we got these right here. Yes, yes. Oh, and Finesse gang, I'm sorry I had to kind of rant and rave while you're up here, but I appreciate you, but I gotta move you off the screen now because these have landed. Yes, I did hit. And this shoe right here, if y'all haven't watched any of my old videos, you know, towards this shoe, I'm gonna just link them down below in the description because I know it's gonna be a shorter unboxing. Usually I like to post a heater hype on Sundays, but I slept for a smooth 12 hours today. I stayed up through the night both days to go up in the morning and make sure I got the Rookie of the Years and the Zebras. So I didn't get any sleep, and I literally went to sleep at like 5 a.m. and I woke up at 6 p.m. today. So unfortunately there's no heater hype today, but these, I needed these. I needed them. I definitely needed them. And hold on, let me take out my receipt paper. I needed these bad boys right here. So let's just go ahead, take these bad boys out. I mean, y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all know I needed to make sure I got them. The all black Jordan box. Do I wish it would slide out? Yes. Is this more close to the OG box? Yes, but for $220, for that extended price, that increased price, I would like my slide out box back. I will go ahead and not have my slide out box because I now have these again. Yes, yes, yes. Does not matter how many pairs they make. These right here, there's probably gonna be a lot of pairs of these joints, but I urge you, do not sleep. If they turn around and make these limited, I would be incredibly surprised. I'm thinking 95% they're gonna be just as limited as the Midnight Navy Blue joints or whatever those are called, or the cap and gowns, or the Platinum 10s. I mean, people probably just didn't cop the Platinum 10s because, well, they weren't as good of a shoe. And these were releasing right around the corner. I mean, Concords. Come on now. Come on now. Concord purple on the bottom. This is a definite double up this year. The last time these joints dropped was back in 2011. If you guys follow me on Twitter or IG, if you don't follow me on Twitter, it's at BulletRC, the same name everywhere. And I actually tweeted out my old on feet review for this sneaker that was just way back. I remember I had to get a size 13 because they had sold out of the size 12, and the 13 was the only thing I could really get. That was the last size that was left. So to flash forward 7 years to think about how crazy the Concord release, I mean, you had to get Money Boys. I mean, if you just weren't into sneakers, if you're newer to sneakers and you don't remember the Concord 11 release, just do yourself a favor, go on YouTube and search Concord 11 2011 camp out, Concord 11 2011 news story, and you guys can just see the madness that was going on for this particular pair of shoes right here. And just to have them, and luckily I hit on Nike early, just to have them a little bit early and straight from Nike, because back then drop my shoe. Back then, having this early meant you were the man. Back then, having this early meant $500 in your pocket. Yes, way back when heads were getting cracked past the white meat, wide open for these shoes right here. But listen, that is going to be it for today's video. Remember, new sample IND drop, bling hoodies, bling tees, all on Black Friday at 12:01 a.m. EST. That is on sampleind.com. It will be linked down below. Listen, brand new clothing drop. Do not sleep. We drop on some new cozy gear for the fall. But that is it. That is a wrap. I mean, I didn't really talk about the quality of the shoe. I mean, they look straight. The leather it does the job. The leather on the back does the job. The higher patent leather cut, it doesn't really bother me anymore. I'm just happy to have Concord 11s again, brand new DS, and I need that double up. I will be looking to get that double up, and I'm looking to try to do a giveaway on these as well, so just stay tuned. But listen, man, that is it. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, of course. Hello, Michael, how you doing, Michael? Yeah, I actually hit. I was looking for a double. Can you send them to me though? Ah, shit. He must have disconnected. But I will see y'all in that next video. That is it. That is a wrap. Concord 11s. Y'all already know the deal. Don't sleep. You heard it here first. And they will be more widely available, so keep that same energy from when they were limited. I don't think I need to tell you that, but that's it, man. I'm out of here. Peace.
Shawty going out of the teens, 3500 for D. Shed play, I got your hoe on the leash, all on her knees, ready to preach. Sucking my dick like a leech. I did better than 104, call the hood, call the